Hey, what are you doing?
I'm getting the. I'm making a helicopter like this. Need to finish? These are powered by sun
What is that?
because they're solar. I'm plugging this plugger. It's electric, so this is a small electric. It could be very dangerous. So I'll let grown up to do this.
You try first.
Hey, this is a propeller. It's powered by solar panels right in a copter right here. And it's like a propeller, but it's not. It's hairy. Perfect. Oh, hi. I'm gonna fly this copter. Look. There we go.
Oh, wow!
We're like flying.
Ah, it's very good. Because of the solar ray.